If you're not sharing your content online, you simply don't exist. Hey, it's Gagan from SmartPublicSpeaker, and in this video we'll take a look at the book that has caught my curiosity, Your Work by Austin Kleon. If you like this video, make sure you press that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. And let's just jump into it. I came across this book from Ali Abdaal's channel, and another reason this really resonated with me is that during coaching sessions around business marketing, I'll hear questions like, how do I build an audience? How can I be found online? How do I build authority? And what should I share online? What about my competition? Well, in this video, we'll take a look at these questions. The main idea behind Show Your Work is to get you comfortable with sharing your work online, especially if you hate self-promotion. Lockdown has made the whole world a small place, and having your work online makes it accessible to individuals that may want to work with you. You don't have to be a genius to be online. You simply share your interest linked with your work, and people start gravitating towards you. As an example, if you like developing properties or trading stocks or reading books, you could talk about that online and start attracting others that are also interested in what you have to share. Benefits of showing your work. Number one is to be findable. If you continuously talk about a subject, you're placing yourself as an authority, not only in the eyes of Google, but also to your network that sees a stream of work coming from you related to a specific subject. Number two, it builds trust. By taking people behind the scene, you help build trust in your brand, whether it's your personal brand or for your business. I know this to be true because the companies I love are all doing something or another for the environment or for a charity that at least I care about. Number three, it benefits others. Instead of being a hoarder of knowledge, you learn something and then learn it again by sharing what you've learned with your network. Okay, not everyone will give you credit for your work, but it's like investment. You only need one investment out of every 10 to really make it worth your while. So that brings us to, what should we share online? Interesting work. One of the ideas I like about the book is that it asks you to focus on work-related ideas. Sharing your cat pictures online or the best memes you found online with your network just confuses the narrative of your brand. So if you're into property, share cool designs, the renders, the time-lapse, stuff you already have in your pipeline, but you probably take it for granted. Also, instead of waiting for finished projects which the social media will forget about in less than a day, why not use the power of momentum to tell a product story? How to do this? Think of before, during, and after. So before you even begin your work, you can share your inspiration for the project, your vision, the roadmap you're likely to take. During the process, you can share your work in progress, the tools and technique that you're really digging, or any template you built to speed up the process. And after the product is launched, you can share your before and after pictures, the big moment, and any related wins you had from working on that project. And finally, the book in 3 sentences. You're only here for a limited time. On the road to success, make sure to connect with others, to share your work in progress. By doing that, you'll attract the right type of people and inspire the people in the wake that you leave behind. And the key takeaways? If I could share but 3 ideas that really resonated with me. Number one, out-teach your competition. There's a reason top chefs are out there giving away their secret recipe. It's because they know the person who shares the most builds the most credibility. Number two, you don't find an audience, they find you. Build a bank of knowledge that you've shared online, and the right people will find you, or at least they'll know you enough to work with. And number three, commit to learning in front of others. Sometimes things just won't work out, but don't let this deter you from stepping in the middle of the arena. Nobody likes a person that doesn't walk the walk. And finally, to bring it all together, share new content online daily, something that's called daily dispatch in the book. Share your inspiration, share your work, anything that you find interesting but has the potential of benefiting others. I totally recommend reading this book. And if you like me to cover a book you're really digging right now, comment below and let me know. It's Gagan from SmartPublicSpeaker, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.